मैम मैम ये B9 B10 B11 B12 ये सब करवा दिए हैं?
नहीं,
नहीं, ठीक है।
exercises
ओके
of
मैम।
travel plans are not done. I think yes, this is your first online class, and in offline class, there was PT first exam. So last 3 days we are not studying so much. You revise your subject wise, okay, in the class. So yesterday I taught travel plans in online class. Arana, did you join the class yesterday?
नो मैम, क्योंकि आप मुझे वेटिंग लिस्ट में डाली हुई थी, मैं ज्वाइन नहीं हो पा रही थी।
आज मैं today I have disabled the waiting list. आज मैंने वेटिंग
तो
रूम को
बहुत
डिसेबल ही कर दिया, ठीक है। तो कोई भी बच्चा वेटिंग रूम में नहीं रहेगा।
12:30 हो गया था, फिर बोले कि अब नहीं हो पाएगा शायद। फिर और वेट किए, 12:40 हो गया, तब भी नहीं ज्वाइन हो पाए।
आई एम वेरी सॉरी फॉर दैट। वेटिंग रूम में
इट्स
कोई
ओके
बच्चे
मैम।
ना रहे, इसीलिए स्टार्टिंग में ही
गुड
मैंने
मॉर्निंग मैम।
आपको
इट्स ओके मैम।
वेलकम। So let's start. Would you like to share something? Any one of you raise your hand and unmute one by one and share your experiences regarding summer vacation tours, visits. आप दादी के घर जाएंगे, नानी के घर जाएंगे, कहाँ कहाँ जाएंगे? ओके, अरायना
मैम
ही एक्टिविटी अच्छी है। अभी
मैम
अरायना अनम्यूट। यस, स्पीक अप,
मैम
स्पीक अप।
मैम मैं अपने नानी घर जाऊंगी और अपने कजन्स के साथ, अपने मौसी के बेटे के साथ, सबके साथ घूमने जाऊंगी इको पार्क। और जब हम लोग इको पार्क जाएंगे तो हम लोग वहाँ बहुत सारे ग्रास है, उस पे बैठ के हम लोग छाया में पिकनिक बनाएंगे। तो हम लोग उसके लिए सुबह से ही तैयारी करेंगे।
Very good.
और मैं
So
मेरे मौसी
okay, could you say this in English? Don't worry about the wrong or right. Speak English. All these things in English. For
मैम
example,
आई वांट
you
टू
can start. You can start like this. I will go to visit with my cousins. Okay, like that.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to go my maternal grandparents' house.
Okay.
I sent my mother to go my maternal parents' house. She says, okay, we'll go date of 21 May.
Okay.
So, mm, mm, I and me or my brother is very excited to go maternal grandparents' house.
Okay. Very good. That's like a
Thank you, ma'am.
good student. Now I want to call other students. Mute yourself. Ansh Arpit Sharma.
Ma'am, may
Now
I answer?
it's yes.
Ma'am, I go
Now
to
it's your chance.
Chandigarh in Eden Garden.
Oh, with whom you are going there? With whom? With your family? Oh, network issue. I think in your area a little bit network issue is there.
Ma'am, may I answer?
So, okay, Divakar.
Firstly, I can complete my summer vacation homework. Then I can go, and then I can go to my village and enjoy my summer vacation. And then I can come to my home.
Okay. Very good plan. And now Shrisha Ranjan. Yes, welcome. Shrisha Ranjan, speak up about your plans, summer vacation plans. Use the headphone. You are not audible. Shrisha, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. And I am not getting the reason. What is the reason? Maybe some network issue. Is there any other student who wants to say something? Okay, Shrisha, let us see. You are muted. Unmute yourself, Shrisha. Okay, but you are not audible still. Okay, let us see that is there any other student who wants to say something? Raise your hand if you want to speak regarding your visits during summer vacation. Summer vacations are ahead and we are studying the poem Travel Plans. So can any one of you tell me something? Shrisha, you are not audible. Okay, unmute yourself and if you wait. Shrisha, आप अपना okay, lower your hand and raise your hand if you any other student if you want to speak.
मैं आंसर
Sure.
I go to Rajgir in water park.
Oh yes, that's very great. Great idea.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Raise your hand so that you are visible to me.
क्लास करती है तो कोई बच्चा आकर डिस्टर्ब करने लगता है, दिखने नहीं बनता है ना। हम भी
No, no, that is not a disturbance. I can.
हम भी ऐसा करते हैं, आता भी है करने। हाँ, ऐसे करके करो और उसके हाँ उसके बाद ऐसे
Okay.
2 बार टैप करो।
सिखा रहा है सिखा रहा है शीर्षा का हो गया
Ma'am, can I try again to answer my answer?
wait a little because the time is running, so let us try to complete some exercises of the chapter travel plans. Okay, can any one of you tell me in short the summary of travel plans? If you have attended the class yesterday, you may be able to answer in short that what has the poet told us this poem.
Ma'am,
Yes. Okay. अब हम exercise करेंगे and at the end of the class we can discuss some more things. Okay. Yesterday we completed exercise A3. Let me write.
ma'am, I'm confused. That you want it.
Travel plans. Exercise A3. Poet wishes to go to the jungle is already written in first. In the second, that is totally based on the
To
poem.
the snow.
Yes. To the jungle.
Ma'am, to the ocean.
To the snow. Okay.
Ma'am, to the ocean. Ma'am,
To
to the
the
ocean.
ocean. Yes. To the ocean.
Ma'am, to the pocket of kangaroo.
Yes. Into the
Ma'am,
pouch.
on the grasshopper. Ma'am, ride on
Pouch
the
of
grasshopper.
pouch of kangaroo.
Ma'am, ride on the grasshopper.
Yeah. To
Ride on the grasshopper.
swim. To swim in the glass.
Ma'am,
To ride on the grasshopper. You are right.
ma'am, to skate on the ice cube.
Very good.
and to go on in the needle like
Just like a thread. Yes, just like a
side
thread. Yes.
and pat a giraffe on top his head. One side, please.
Hmm.
One side, please.
In this way, all the sentences are written. So these are the places poet wishes to go. You can add more, like to go through the needle, hole of the needle, like that. Is it visible to you?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is a visual.
Ma'am, board is not visible.
Wait.
Hmm. Left side, please. To write on the Ma'am, the spelling of grasshopper is not clear.
Ma'am, please read the fifth sentence.
To swim in the glass.
Swim.
SWIM,
Okay, ma'am.
swim. To swim in the glass. Done? I am reading for you to the jungle, to the snow, to the ocean, into the pouch of kangaroo, to swim in the glass, to ride on the grasshopper. If you have done, let me clean the board for next exercise. Next exercise, read the extract and answer the questions that follow. And when I had seen all that, I want to see, I hope I would know how to turn back into me. Yesterday we did this exercise. If anyone of you can answer, speak up. First question was done. Write 4 things that the speaker had seen. Okay. Ankita is telling me that she had done. Okay, very good.
Ma'am, what is the answer of A for first question?
A for first question. Write 4 things that the speaker had seen. Speaker ने क्या क्या देखा? Can you
मैम कल मैं
go
नहीं
back to
आई
the
थी
poem and find out? The speaker had seen oceans, sea,
देखो ना.
right?
हाँ.
म्यूट करेंगे. Mute, stay muted. Ocean, jungle, snow, and one more place.
लक्ष्य ऑनलाइन क्लास करता है और अश्विन भी.
At the top of giraffe head. तो मैं लिख देती हूँ. That will be easy for you.
नोट किया है. नहीं वो भी करते हैं. मतलब जब नोट करता है तो हम लोगों का आवाज में आपके पास नहीं जाता है.
जा रहा है, आवाज जा रहा है. आवाज मेरे पास आ रहा है, तो so that I am telling you that you should stay muted. Very good. Now see exercise A4. Write 4 things that speaker see. Answer. The speaker had seen the jungle the snow the ocean and a pouch of kangaroo. Visible?
Ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am, please side
Okay.
the speaker.
The speaker had seen the jungle, the snow, the ocean, and a pouch of kangaroo. Full stop. Don't forget to place a full stop at the end of an assertive sentence like this.
Jungle. Jungle. Yes. I have done that. No. And two.
I have done, ma'am. I have done,
I have done that.
Very good.
I have done, ma'am. I have done, ma'am.
And UH pouch or
Question, second question. What does the speaker mean by turn back into me?
turn back into me. Right there is last of all. So
टर्न बैक इनटू मी का मीनिंग क्या है? वो क्या कहना चाहता है? आंसर द स्पीकर. स्पीकर कौन है? हु इज द स्पीकर?
Ma'am, second answer is not visible.
मेरे लैपटॉप की स्क्रीन में तो दिखा रहा है, क्लियर दिख रहा है.
मैम पूरा बोर्ड नहीं दिख रहा है.
जो लिखा है वो दिख रहा है, दैट्स ऑल. यहाँ पे दिख रहा है?
दिख रहा है अच्छे से।
मैम
ठीक
क्लियर
है,
नहीं
द
दिख रहा है।
स्पीकर,
यस मैम।
कुछ बच्चे बोल रहे हैं दिख रहा है, कुछ बोल रहे हैं नहीं दिख रहा है, और यहाँ पे पूरा दिख रहा है।
यस मैम दिख
हाँ, द स्पीकर वॉन्ट्स टू बिकम ए नॉर्मल, कल मैंने लिखवाया था ना ये दिवाकर,
मैम।
दिवाकर आया था कल क्लास में। ह्यूमन बीइंग by saying turn back into me. का अर्थ ये है कि अब वो बहुत छोटा या बहुत बड़ा नहीं बनना चाहता है, बल्कि अब वो एक नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग के साइज का बनना चाहता है, जो एक नॉर्मल होता है उस साइज का
मैम
बनना चाहता है। वेरी गुड, लेट मी रीड द आंसर फॉर यू। द स्पीकर wants to become a normal human being by saying turn back into me. Raise your hand who has written.
मैम मैम आई हैव नॉट अंडरस्टूड दिस लाइन। रीराइट, रीरिटन।
In poem,
नो मैम, यू से रीरिटन।
second question.
नो मैम,
Narayana,
दिस मैम कैन आई स्पीक इन हिंदी?
sure.
मैम आप अभी बोली रीरिटन,
No, turn back
बोले थे।
into me. Okay, maybe
मैम
some.
मैम आप बोल।
Okay, wait. I am reading again. The speaker wants to become a normal human being by saying turn back into me.
नो मैम आप
Focus on
बोली
the
थी जो
answer.
जो
Focus on the answer. Narayana.
आई हैव डन मैम।
Very good. Raise your hands
आई हैव
who
डन।
has done. Some of the students have raised their hands like Palak, Divakar, Shrisha. They have done. And very good. So let me clean the board for the next answer. Next question. Question C. Students, see the question in your book. Why do you think the speaker wants to turn back into himself? आपको क्या लगता है कि स्पीकर अब वापस नॉर्मल क्यों होना चाहता है? Why does he say that he wants to turn back into himself? So the answer, see the question in the book. Write the answer. The speaker gets bored. वो बोर हो जाता है, ऊब जाता है। कैसे ऊब जाता है? After being small or very big. ठीक है, आफ्टर बीइंग स्मॉल और बीइंग और वेरी बिग, बहुत बड़ा और छोटा होने से वो अब बोर हो चुका है, सो he wants to
मैम आफ्टर के बाद क्या लिखा है?
BEING बीइंग, आफ्टर बीइंग स्मॉल मतलब छोटे होकर, या फिर बीइंग वेरी बिग बड़ा होकर वो क्या हो चुका है, बोर हो चुका है, गेट्स बोर्ड आफ्टर बीइंग स्मॉल और वेरी बिग, सो ही वांट्स टू टर्न बैक वो टर्न बैक करना चाहता है, वापस होना चाहता है, रिवर्स करना चाहता है अपनी साइड को, टर्न बैक इनटू हिज ओरिजिनल स्टेट, वो अपनी ओरिजिनल स्टेट में वापस आना चाहता है।
I have
Right.
done, ma'am.
Very good.
I have done, ma'am.
I have done, ma'am.
Okay.
I have done, ma'am. I have done, ma'am.
Okay.
I have done, ma'am.
कौन बज रहा है? Wait a little,
I
students.
have done, ma'am.
In this way, first part of exercise A4 is completed. That's all for today. Your homework is to learn these question answer. I have told you to study at least 1 hour English daily and do your homework daily. After remembering, learning, revising, the continuous revision is necessary to keep in mind the facts related to chapters.
Okay, sir.
Note down your homework, learn the class first.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
That's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.